Hey y'all, it's your girl Nene here back with another video, and today I'm coming at you with a client tutorial, and I'm giving you this soft look with a glitter liner. And if you like this look so far, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, and I'll get back to you later, girl. But for this look, I already did her brows already off camera. But right now I'm testing out this new base, or for me it's new. This is the canvas base from Louise, and I've been wanting to try this base for a long time, and I finally got my hands to it. So I applied that all over her lid, and then now I'm going in Morphe 39A palette, and I just took one of those brown shades, and I'm just tapping that into her crease. She has hooded eyes, so I was kind of giving it like a blown out look, just a little bit. That's why I went in with that big fluffy brush, and I'm just tapping that shade into her crease. Now I'm just going in with a deeper brown, and I took this angled brush just to like get even more into her crease. So it's like an angled fluffy brush, and I just tapped that into her crease also. And then now I'm going back in with the canvas base, and I'm applying that on her eyelid again. And I'm just tapping it with this fluffy brush. And then now I'm using this brush to take away the product, because this base is thick and it dries fast, which I do like. But we want to take away some of that product. And now I'm going in with this tan shade in my Warriors 2 palette, and I just applied that in the beginning of her eyelid. And then I went back into the 39A palette, and I took a deeper tan shade, and I'm just applying that on the side right next to it. And I'm just using the both brushes to go back and forth to blend everything out so it can give like this ombre look. Now I'm going back in with the first shade that I used in her crease, and I'm just blending out the harsh lines. I'm sorry you guys can't really see. Next time I will probably adjust my camera differently. I don't know why I always have that issue. I don't know, maybe it's the way I should have them look when I'm doing their eyeshadow. I'm sorry, but yeah. So I'm just taking that first shade that I used, and I'm just blending out the harsh lines, and I'm making sure everything is blended well. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm just creating a liner for her. It's not going to be too big. It's really going to be like a small liner, because she has hooded eyes, and I didn't give her like a full eyeliner look. I just kept it like literally halfway. And now here's me testing out the foundation. Which shade color was I gonna use on her, because I had different shades, and I was just trying to figure out which one was her match. And now here I am going in with lash glue, and this is from Duo, and I'm taking my chunky black glitter, and I'm applying that to her eyeliner. this look actually takes time. I did not expect to take that long, because when I looked at my phone, I was like, what? Yeah, it took me a while to do this. It takes some time to do that. So I need to be faster when it comes to stuff like this. I think what slowed me down was applying the glitter and stuff like that. But yeah. I'm going in with some lashes. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going in with some primer. This is so pretty. I love it. Like I said again, I'm sorry if I'm in the way also, but if you haven't hit her up yet, Lachey Glams on YouTube. She's really good. So I've been really on her videos and looking at her techniques, and I really like her techniques, so I've been trying them out and they've been doing good to me. So check her out because she is bomb. She killing it. Now I went in with, as her concealer, I went in with medium beige from LA Pro. She has combination skin. Her skin is not oily nor is it dry. So yeah, and here I am going in with a smaller brush to blend out the concealer under her eyes, because it's like I can't really explain how her eyes are really, it's like her eyes is hooded, and then she has a deep, you have to really get under there with a brush. I feel like I couldn't even get under there with my blending brush without messing up her liner on her under eye. But now I'm going in with Laura Mercier, and I'm using this damped beauty blender, and I'm just setting the concealer. I really enjoyed doing her makeup. She was very nice, and she made me feel comfortable. I like when my clients make me feel comfortable when I do their makeup. That's probably another thing. That's probably another reason why it took me so long, because I was just talking so much with her. But she's really nice and really sweet. So yeah, you're probably gonna see her again. I'm gonna be doing her makeup soon again. So yeah. And now I'm going in with I think this is MAC in Studio Finish in the shade, I want to say, I'm not sure, but I want to say C8 or something. But I'm using this brush and I'm just tapping the product into her skin and taking away the setting powder. Now I'm using my Morphe mist spray and I'm just setting her skin, and then I'm going back in with the foundation brush that I used with the MAC face powder. Now I'm going in with some blush. And now I'm going in with Dose of Colors and Royal Hotness. And I'm just giving her a little bit of highlight. Not too much, just something real subtle. She was doing a photo shoot for her birthday. So this is her look. And now I'm going in with a brown pencil and I'm just lining up her lips. Now I'm taking Glowup Academy and Pout Me, and I'm just applying that on her lips. Right after I blend this out. Yeah, that's Glowup Academy Pout Me, and I'm just using a brush to apply it evenly on her lips. Now I'm going in with some gloss that I bought from the hair store, and this is it, you guys. This is the finished look. Here I am setting her skin once again with my Morphe setting spray, and I went in with Urban Decay All Nighter because she did say that she was gonna go out with her friends after. So this is the complete look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.